WTI, have you thought about taking a cold plunge? I was a little hesitant, but I read some of the benefits and I was sold. And the pod company has made it so easy to do and so exhilarating. I tell everyone about this because it really is so beneficial. My favorite thing about this is sometimes I just need a mental reset. And that's what this gives me. I get in, I dunk down in that ice cold water. I sit there for a little bit. It's reset me, and then I have a little bit of relaxation before I get out. This thing is so easy to put together, and it's very sturdy. So you have these posts that slide in easy. It comes with the air pump to blow up everything. It even comes with the cover, so you don't have to worry about it getting dirty all the time. I especially love this in the morning. I am not a morning person, and this has really helped me wake up and get going in the morning. I kind of actually look forward to it in the morning to get really, really cold, get dressed, and have my hot cup of coffee. It's a great start to every day. They also have drain holes on the side and the bottom so you can drain that out easily when you want to change the water. The drains on the side also allow you to connect it to a chiller if you want to invest in that in the future. So if you've been on the fence, highly recommend trying it. The pod company, like I said, makes it so easy, but that's just my point of view.